Hi, in this video I'll show you how to restore your SSD disk if no other methods help. First, you need to disassemble the SSD drive case, find the chip and read the name of this chip. Or you may find a program with which you can read the name of the chip installed in your SSD. Then enter the name of your chip in any search engine to find the software for flashing the chip. Or just go to the site and search for the firmware program on this site. Then download the archive with the program to your computer. Now you need to disconnect the SSD from the USB port and short circuit the contacts on the SSD board where the word RAM is written. After inserting the jumper, connect the SSD drive to USB and run the program you downloaded. When program started, go to Preferences, click here, then password is none, just OK. Here you can change serial number, but I do not change anything here. Now go to this part and choose settings like this. Here choose default and your disk size and then click Save Settings. Click here, then go to Main, press Start, then wait until the process is finished. The process may end with errors. This is OK. After the first process is finished, remove the jumper from the SSD drive and start the process by pressing the Start button again. If everything went well and you saw the green pass color, then everything is OK and you can close the program and use your SSD drive. If the process ended with errors and you have a red light, then you need to do the following steps. Go to the settings and change the size of your disk to a smaller size, so that the bad sectors remain unused. For example, I have a 256 GB disk. I had to reduce it to 128 GB to restore the disk's operation, but now I only have 128 GB out of 256, but the disk works perfect. Reduce the disk size in the settings, save settings, then go to main screen of the program and press the Start button again. At the end of the process you should see a green sign pass. After that you can close the program and use your SSD drive. Also, you need to remove the SSD drive from the USB and insert it again or reboot your computer. The last step, you need to initialize the disk in the system and assign a volume letter to your disk.